Okay, this is how we're getting started. This is going to be step 1, step 2, step 3. We have the rollers, the comb, clip. I need the True Wave, the papers, and some towels and gloves. Okay, this is the hair we're starting with. All right, guys, so I've put her hair in 4 parts. I'm going to put this cream on it now. Okay, we've got 1 down. I'm going to do the next 3, and then I'll show you what it looks like in the next clip. I haven't did the ends yet. I just did the roots, and I'm going to go back and do the roots afterwards. Okay, we got that side done. So I'm done with this. And this was first section. So that's how it looks, guys. 1 minute in. I did the roots first, or the shaft, and then I put the cream on the end. We're gonna let it sit there probably for like another 5-10 minutes, and then rinse it out. Rinse, not wash or condition, just rinse it out. You see, we're gonna do apply, step 2, shape transformer, follow instructions carefully. This is our transformer here for step 2. And the hair is washed, and I actually washed the hair. So we rinsed the cream out, and we washed it with some shampoo. We just used some Dove shampoo. Just wanted to get the roots straight with the shaft. And then I'll show you guys what it looked like in the rollers. They're going here now. I'm gonna put those on, and then we're gonna do step 2. But I put step 2 in this bottle so it's easy to spray. I've got this side down, and then we're doing this side. So, yep. So we got everything going. I use a spray. This is how much spray I used. Or the step 2. Okay. All right, it's been in there for about 10 minutes so far, and it's probably gonna be another 10-15 minutes. So yeah. All right. Okay, so we just rinsed that out. It's been about 20-25 minutes. We rinsed that out, and then now we're gonna do like shape lock phase 3. Okay, so we applied a lot. They said to use generously, and I did. It's like a lot. You can see it probably going down a towel. They said use cotton balls, but I didn't use any. We just used a towel. Yeah. Okay, so we just rinsed out. Like step 3, the shape lock. And I'm going to release the curls and then put the finishing lotion in. And I'll show you guys the results in a minute. So this is all rinsed. Soon as I okay, this is what we have so far. Not bad. What do you think? I'll show you the rest in a minute. Okay, I'm finished. This is the results. The curls kind of like fell a little bit, but not close. I mean, they still there. I think it's because her hair is long, but I think it came out good. What do you think? We use a cream to straighten her roots a little bit. What's your thoughts? Let me know.